once. About the billions of money. Puso tano zikidwa. Musikade muziko kwa mabiombi. Yape nje kwetu ne. Era bidembe kule. Kwetu. Dala ndo tusepa be. Dafu muje.
Kenis Kamugisha bari kwa mu French Plaza ngantundaga na amariba gano atega pharmacy amariba gano gasega zibade murone zibade muroni kata amazi gatsara ku macha twagenda kera kubacanga amazi gona gajude wono wona ngaho murawana kati yona bino yona jora yona singa yona rosi kati gano rosi kati gano geto akafuna maze ningafuna amariba gano ningamba mumpeyo amariba ngenga ntune ko
manya Dickson Ainembabazi ngaza kwasagaya business ya feno tuchali mu mbera za kweya twakava ku campus twagataga capital ne tufana student loans mu Centenary Bank ne tujja tutandikawo ka business cafe nga tuyina banafe beturabide ko kufuna idea ya fene amaliba nenga tubade tuchali mu loan tuchali kugataga tusasura mpora twakava ku campus tuli ba graduate
tachine umalu ngera ankolera wano kuli ne duka ekirwa saawe eno tuli mbulumi mali ya feyo naje twalina maduka yagwao sawe ne tulina tutandikira ne singa government ene tuyamba ne tuzawe ebintu bya fenga ebyali ne batwaye ko kasere ne tuzawe ebintu bya fenga ebyali ne talema kudda mu kyalo kuba
wasigadde amanya mu kibi Alex nanze nanyini duka eryo emali yonna yino yaweddewo nga bwe nagireeta yonna siina saasira emali bweti nga yonna yafudde gafuuse mazzi obuntu buno emana leta peace 1500 oloza nasigaza sente meka ddala kitegeeza mba nagudde kwata peya 1500 ku 1500 ddala oba osigadde engulu
of who is designing and supervising this job. We want to be sure because as the board our mandate is to regulate and control and also advise the government on engineering matters. So we have that issue who is
the person who is going to supervise this work.
No, these ones will be supervising as ministries, but there should be someone contracted by him, by him, who is the designer, because that's the root cause. Then there are issues of course, the channel itself. It's narrow. It was narrow. Now we have said that it was widened, but we have also seen that from up there, when you come to this second bay, the height has reduced. In other words, the volume has also reduced. And we have also seen from these beams, you can see, Madam PM, that even that when it flooded, the water came up to this beam, meaning that inside here it was already full also. So even as we think of taking those, putting those culverts to go to the other buildings, some where we started off from, the basement is low. So if you have the culvert at that level, it means that the water also backflow back into the buildings. So there's that issue as well.
That's why the town engineer said they have also to have a way of having that water flow on the surface.
Yeah, then the other thing, of course, that we have observed as we come here, is that the road super elevation is falling the other side. So even the water which was running on the road was actually running also going to the buildings. Because of the inclination of the road.
The inclination must come this side.
It should be coming this side, drained well, then it comes to, taken to the channel and then to Nakivubo.
We have seen the damage which was caused to our traders. The damage is immense. But when we heard about this, we worked with police and National Water and Sewage Corporation to get equipment to evacuate water from the buildings. Unfortunately, by the time we evacuated the water, most of the properties had been affected by water.
Naye okuva hamu luyatandika okuzimba ekintu ekyo okuviira ddala wa Kisekka okutuukira ddala ku fire oba ku container village, buli enkuba lwebadde etonnya amazzi gabadde gayingira mu bizinesi z'abantu era abantu ne bafiirizibwa nnyo. Naye ku mulundi guno tugenze okulaba nga tewali office yonna ya government yavuddeyo neraba butya bwegenda okudduukirira abasuubuzi bano. N'olw'ensonga eyo
twagala kooti era tusuubira nti kooti yokka yegenda okuvaayo esale obwenkanya oba etuwe obwenkanya ng'abasuubuzi abayononeddwa ebyabwe.
The terrible tragedy where we had floods and property worth billions of money was lost in the floods. And these floods were as a result of the construction of Nakivubo channel. To me, I do believe that the methodology being used perhaps is not the best, and therefore we should work out ways of solving this issue before we have further challenges.
Toward Chairperson Utea Uganda, we appreciate Honorable Minister Nabanja, who came and visited us. But traders, we have lost each and everything. We no longer need your condolences. We need compensation. There is a difference between condolences and compensation. We pay taxes, we pay license, each and everything in this city. We need compensation because you are saying that the president has said and he has promised that he's going to send condolences to the traders. We need compensation.
Bino kibanga omuvuzi w'emmotoka eyabadde ng'avuga emmotoka obubi n'atomera omuntu n'amutta oba n'amukosa. Tokubagiza bukubagiza muntu oyo. Oyina okukompasetinga omuntu oyo mu ngeri yonna. Bw'oba tosobola kuzzaawo bulamu oba olina okulabirira abantu bano omuntu ono balesse beyandibadde nga alabirira. So gavumenti bw'egamba nti egenda kukompasetinga abasuubuzi abafiiriddwa ebyabwe eve mu bintu by'okugamba nti egenda kukubagiza. Ezo sitole za kunyoomerera na kumala mbasuubuzi maanyi ba taxi payers.
Emmotoka zayo zakasasi ekyo tukikoze